Chicago, the Windy City, a city known for its stunning architecture, history, and iconic foods like deep dish pizza. I, along with my friends, flew from East and West Coast to see if Chicago really lived up to the hype of America's best city. So, let's find out. So all the way from Toronto, I'm here in Shy City, Chicago on the 4th of July weekend, which is America's Independence Day. I have my two friends visiting from Seattle. So basically the first impression of the city, Chicago is like similar to Toronto. So for now, so far so good. Let's see what the city has to offer. What do you like in Chicago?
What I love in Chicago is the people. The people are beautiful. You just have to jam. You have to love the blues.
I like Chicago. I think it's a very well-structured city. I like the buildings that I'm seeing here. I think the transit could be improved, but I like the city so far.
And Tanya, what do you like?
So this is not my first time here. I've been here before and it's been amazing so far. A city with great eats, deep dish, and jazz fun. So no complaints, right?
just like that, Chicago trip has ended. It was not just about exploring the city, it was also about a reunion with my other friends who live quite far from Toronto. So we have made new memories, explored the new city. So the things that I liked about Chicago was the architecture of the buildings, which is amazing. And it has its own character. You can differentiate Chicago with the other cities in US. The river running right in the middle of downtown. Other than that, food was not that impressive. I know it's just 2 days. It's more to explore, and there are other parts of Chicago which are far, which have good food. Maybe next time. Also, the other good thing which I found was this very minimal homelessness compared to the major cities in US and Canada as well. And Chicago is very clean, so it will be a good experience for you. Chicago may not have been perfect for just 2 days, but it has a personality that hard to ignore. I'm leaving with a good impression and a lot of great memories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.